I realized that I have nothing to wear for tonight. What am I gonna do? So it is officially 11:30. My call time is at 1 o'clock. I still don't know what to wear. Last night, Paulo was honestly the sweetest guy ever. He watched my initial performance and he was like, so there are parts in this dance that are not meant to be danced when you're engaged, but I'm gonna go dance it anyways because I kind of need that like it factor. I need like that wow factor. I need people to be like, whoa, what the hell is she doing? And honestly, Paulo was just like, cool. And in fact, he was even telling me this morning while I was practicing in the living room, he was watching me dance, he's like, you know, that part of the dance, you need to dance it really seductively, you really need to own it, you need to dance like a He also helped me last night trying to figure out what to wear. And originally, the idea was leggings and then a sports bra like this. And then I realized that I'm not that skinny. So when I'm not wearing this, it's just like and I have like some boob fat over here, so a sports bra is a no-go. I don't have that kind of confidence right now. The only thing that I literally have are office clothes or event clothes, which are like usually very girly and feminine and stuff like that, or house clothes, or like big t-shirts like this that I constantly wear. I'm freaking out. I'm just gonna get ready, get all my things ready, and then head off to Plaza Independencia because I need to be there at 1. And this is the last time that I'm gonna be vlogging on the camera. If I never get to say it by the end of the day, I am just very blessed to be here. That's very much how I feel. I'm a mixture of scared, nervous. I'm scared that nobody's gonna know me, and I know that nobody's gonna know me. I'm scared that I'm gonna suck and that people are gonna boo me off stage, or they're just gonna be like, who the f is this? And I know that Cebuanos are very hard to please. Really scared about those things, but at the same time, I'm also very, very grateful to have the opportunity. At the end of the day, it's not really what people think. It's more about how I feel, and I think that I'm gonna feel really good about myself after this. I thought that performing and like doing videos and stuff like that, I thought that this would just be a phase. I thought that this was something I had to do and I would eventually get over it. I never thought that I would be dancing on stage at 28. I keep saying that like 28 is the end of the world, but like I was just thinking most of the 28-year-olds I know right now have either settled down, gotten married, have kids, have like really good jobs, are in like a very stable place. But my life has just been up, down, up, down, up, down. Just really me trying to find my place in this world. And although it seems like I have it all figured out, most of the time I'm just like, let's just do it, you know. But I'm very grateful to have this opportunity. I feel like I get to live the best life that I can because of the opportunities that making videos for you guys has given me. I am not as big as my other content creators, but I still get the same stage and platform as they do. And I feel sometimes that I don't deserve it, but I'm very grateful to all the stars and all the people who see my potential and who think that I have something to offer to the world. So I'm very grateful about that. I mean, it's more good than it is bad. I'm not dreading this because I feel like if I feel the bad energy, I'm gonna put it out into the world. I'm gonna start thinking about it the whole day, and then something bad is gonna happen. I just hope that I don't break anything or sprain myself, or that it doesn't rain, because you know, if I practice this hard, I want people to see it. I hope that you enjoy my performance later. I don't know how much of this I'm gonna vlog or not, but thank you so much for being there. I love you all. Bye. On my way to the plaza. I think we're downtown now. So call time was at 1. Guess who arrived at 3 o'clock?
Where's the bathroom? I have to pee.
Inside Fort San Pedro.
Oh, inside Fort?
Independencia looks like at sunset or during golden hour. There's really not a lot of people around yet, but I feel like later in the evening it's gonna fill up because they said that most Cebuanos, like they go to Santo Niño and then they'll pray and then they'll come here for food, and then there's a lot of places to eat. So yeah, right now we are just setting up right there. We're waiting to go inside the tent over there, and then we're gonna do our makeup, and then my backup dancers are gonna come, and then we're gonna practice. So it's 6:27 and Paulo is doing makeup. We were scheduled to go at 8:30, but then wait, I think we still are going on at 8:30. But there's a program before us, and that is Toto, Music Idol, no? So support the Lawayan ako siya. Yung mabaga pagit kay alaway. Here are the girls. Hi. Makeup classes 101. USC represent.
USC represent.
So they're doing their own makeup now because they're about to run out of time. But kibaw naman ni sa makeup. Mga gwapita naman daan. Mga unitat sa mga bayhana. Gamay na kay kailangan. Di parehas kunang ba? Nang nagbaga kay makeup. But I look so beautiful. Dami yung mukha lang. Ito kung gagawin mo yun, suyo. Magkaputod. Thank you, love you. Hey guys, so I am about to perform in a few minutes and look what I found. Buslot siya. Kita ninyo, dapat siya buslot sa kong bilahan. I want you guys to meet my makeup artist, Paolo. Make sure to follow him. I feel so beautiful. Yes, look how many people there are, mother! Man, they're shaking.
The Armed Forces of the Philippines and
the Philippine Navy.
Salamat Plaza Independencia. Ako pa mga backup dancers, Lori, Joey, John J, and Trisha.
Ikaw ang lanig, ganong pahatig. Pinaninadig, pero ay nang lawas na galagitig. Balik ka sa kumbabagig ang pamitig. Ilahi ka na kasi, hindi ka galili. Bebe, ate, alire. Pino ang priya na name. Magkamasyad ka na gobet. Nagkaroon nga biyo na palayo tayo sa drama. Ikaw o ako, hasta mo nung ako gabalo. Kabalaga sa lalim at ako kay makaila. Sa'yo sunado ko yung mga mata. Ganyan kita na ikaw galaga. Ganyan kita ikaw gagala. Mission Bayhana, Mission Bayhana, Mission Bayhana, la Mission Bayhana, la Mission Bayhana, la
anillo pa' cuando. El anillo pa' cuando. El anillo pa' cuando. El anillo pa' cuando. Huele como me gusta, me besas como me gusta, me agarras como me gusta, así, así que a mí me gusta, como muerde la fruta, si sale de noche me asusta, mi mapa conoce la fruta, así, así que me gusta, sigue aquí, papi estoy para ti, dale atrás, que así somos las de Bronx, no stop, muévete más, que siga la fiesta conmigo nomás, no pierdas el enfoque, papi tiene la clase, cuando apenas la toque, jorón con 3 envases, nunca había sentido algo tan grande y me vuelve loca a tu lado salvaje. Tú me has dado tanto que he estado pensando, ya lo tengo todo. ¿Y el anillo pa' cuándo? ¿El anillo pa' cuándo? ¿El anillo pa' cuándo? ¿El anillo pa' cuándo?
Hey guys, I am currently at Hostel 7 with my friends. Say hi! Hi!
Wala na ka, Claro.
Hi! Nag-vlog po dyan.
Wala na kaya yung go, guys.
And Paula's here! So, I'm officially gonna end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for those who came, who dropped by, who watched me, who cheered for me. It was such an exhilarating experience. I'm gonna talk about it again in the morning. But right now, I just want to say thank you guys. Talk to you in the morning. Hey guys, it is officially the week after Sinulog. I'm done with all my events and naka-recover na ko gamay from all the stress, the working, the dancing especially. Medyo ni wala na kayo events this week, so I was able to focus on editing and stuff like that. So now, finally, the second version of my Bisaya Fan Fest experience is finally out. So I'm just at the beach right now, spending time with friends and family, and I'm also editing at the same time. Bati pa na ko angle eh. So, okay. There. Change angle kay Merg, mas nindot nila. So anyways, I wanted to say thank you to everyone who helped make Bisaya Fan Fest possible, especially to Michael, to my backup dancers, Kirsten, Brianna, and Alana. See, nakainomdom ako, no? I wanted to say thank you, especially to V9, to Paulo, Paran, Paran, for doing my makeup, to Bisaya Fan Fest, to all the heads and everyone else. I cannot wait to make more content for you guys in 2019. If you don't know, I am coming up with a new series. Mag-shoot ako this week. So I hope that you guys subscribe and like me on all my social media. Subscribe to me, follow me, so that you get more updates. So yeah, medyo ako kay kugapin mo. Saka good ako shades, no? But anyways, I'm gonna go back to editing this video. But thank you guys so much. I'll see you in the next video. Pagaw pa ko gamay. But I'll see you. Bye. Love you all.